Bitcoin, we start with daily chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And from the what we can see here, there is no much changes. If you refer to my last analysis, still we are within this correction. And we mentioned if you want to look for buy, if you want to look for the reversal, we prefer the price break the lowest price of this correction as a sharp move before we look for the reversal before we take the trade as a long term. All right. That means if the price reverse from here, we can expect to be in relative to what we have here. Then this one turn to flat for the next drop before we look for the reversal. That means we will be within this correction for quite a long time. That's why we are looking to see the breakout of the lowest price of this correction before we take the trade as a long term. That means if the price reverses from here, any opportunity for buy within this range will be a short-term trade. All right. It depends on the strategy the traders they use, because if the price break the lowest price of this correction as a sharp move, mostly we can look for the divergence. We're looking to see the breakout as a sharp move, because if the price continue and drag and drop, then we don't get the reversal as what we're looking for as a long term. All right. By the way, at this point, we don't have any trade setup based on daily chart. And if you move to forward chart, similar explanation. And even if anyone was looking for buy to get they're looking for the trade from this correction, any opportunity for buy will be a short-term trade. It's not a really good trade setup. That means we are trading within the day correction. And as I mentioned, anyone wants to take the trade, it depends on the strategy they're using. If they want to look for trade from here, they can take it. And the targets they're looking for is 27 following by 61% of this, the first wave. And even if we refer to our analysis, we mentioned if we want to put this one in relative to what we have here for one move up, then we don't want to see the breakout of the 18900. As we can see, 2 times the price tag, even there was a breakout, but within the first, the candle, there was a breakout. There, the price could tag or break. There was a reversal. All right, there was no continuation. That means still we can look for 18900 as a support. And first things, whoever get the trade for buy from here, it depends on the strategy they use. They're looking for the targets will be 27 following by 61% of this move. If there was a breakout of this top, then we can look for 27 or 61% of this one, because this one is the first and this one is the correction. All right. By the way, it's not really good trade setup. And even for me, I'm not looking to buy from here. Okay. Because even if the price continue, I don't think we can get ready. It will be a short-term trade setup. It depends on the strategy the traders they're looking for, but I'm not really interested in that unless I see some changes. And we have nothing else to discuss. And even if we move to the weekly chart, we mentioned if the price could break the lowest price of this correction, we can expect the price drop to this range, somewhere between 14,600 following by 10,700. And even as I mentioned, even if the price reverses from here, we do the breakout of the lowest price of this correction, we can expect this one turn to three-way flat in relative to what we have here. And this is what we can expect. That's why if anyone wants to look for buy within this correction, they should know how to manage the trade. That means they should consider the trade as a short-term trade. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.